Alright, in my video today I want to talk about seamless integrations between CAD systems and OpenBOM. I also will bring you a short demo in the end of my video where I will demonstrate how CAD system is integrated with OpenBOM. So remember I said OpenBOM is seamlessly connected to any CAD environment. What does it mean? It means that OpenBOM add-ins to any CAD system can retrieve data automatically from a CAD system and can bring bill of materials to OpenBOM and also keep it updated. So you can ask, why is it important? Every CAD system can export data to Excel, and basically you can do with this Excel anything you want. So here's the difference that OpenBOM brings in your environment. When you're exporting Excel, you basically disconnect your data from CAD. So now you have this Excel. Of course, you can do anything you want. But here's the thing, the updates will come, and nothing is more permanent in this design and production environment than change. So engineers will make a change in the CAD environment, and the BOM will need to be updated. So if you did it in Excel, you will be going to make export of Excel again, and you will be merging your changes, you will be adding information in Excel, you will be adding information from CAD. You know, just to explain it already sounds complex, and if you have a relatively complex assembly, you will see that to make those changes and perform those changes is actually pretty hard. So OpenBOM simplifies it for you, and what OpenBOM does, it's also create a very dedicated process of extracting data from design environment. So today in my demo, which I will do with the newest features that we created for Autodesk Fusion360, I will demonstrate that it's not only OpenBOM can extract data, but we can also apply some rules on the data. And I will use two very specific use cases that can be applied to any bill of material extraction. So I will talk about use case of purchasing assemblies, and I will talk about use case of excluding some data that needs to be extracted from a CAD system. So let me switch to the screencast mode and we will go through the demo. We have Autodesk Fusion360, and we have this beautiful Autodesk speaker assembly that I have from Autodesk University a couple of years ago. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create bill of materials. But before I'm going to create bill of materials, I want to make some modifications to the structure. So first of all, this USB board, I will be buying it from somebody. So, and because I will be buying it from somebody, I would like to make it as a purchased assembly. So as you can see, the flag in OpenBOM that I put here, I marked it as an OpenBOM mark as purchased. So it means that when I will create a BOM, all parts of this assembly will not be included in a BOM because I don't need them in a BOM. So the second thing that I'm doing, I am taking this another assembly, it's the potentiometer, and I am marking it as excluded from the BOM. I don't need it. I already have it, so for some reasons I decided that I don't need this part. Okay, so that's what I make now. When I will be creating a bill of materials, I will click on creating a bill of materials. The OpenBOM will create this bill of materials, generate images, and we'll create bill of materials for me. And so here we come. We got OpenBOM bill of materials, and this is what we see. Is that what happened, that I don't have this excluded item, and when I navigate to the PCB tray, I can see that USB board is actually a single item, even so it marked as an assembly. So what you can see here is that OpenBOM automatically created bill of materials from this assembly with applying some specific rules on how data can be extracted by eliminating one assembly and eliminating one item. So once we created it, any updates in the OpenBOM will be connected to the Fusion, and if you will make changes in the Fusion design and you will click on the Update BOM button, so all changes will be merged and combined together. So that was an example how OpenBOM is connected to a design environment and maintaining particular rules. And also that was actually a new release of OpenBOM Fusion add-in that you can already get online. So that was all today, and I hope you like my video, and we will talk to you soon. Have a good night.